5 unique qualities of the majestic Great Daneski. It's a crossbreed between the regal Great Dane and the hardy Siberian Husky, resulting in a majestic and robust canine with a distinctive appearance and a spirited personality. The Great Daneski mix can inherit characteristics from both parent breeds, resulting in a wide range of appearances. They are often gentle, energetic, loyal, friendly, and spirited. A Great Daneski is a wonderful addition to any family, but they thrive in homes with older children. They are active, affectionate, and loyal dogs that bring delight to those who love and care for them. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more Pawfect Pals videos.